Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is time for my July Splendies reveal. I'm really excited about this one. I've not done any cheaters to see what other people got, but it's the dead of summer, so I want to just kind of see if there's a theme to this month's package that correlates to it being hot as the devil outside. So here is this month's package. It has like little dragonflies on it and a connecting diamond pattern, and of course the Splendies sticker. So let's see. Okay. So the first pair for this month is gray and red of course is my favorite color. The fact that it's been paired with gray lace I really like. They are Mrs. Vicky's Intimates, and they are manufacturer suggested retail price of $12, and they are thongs with lace going up the back. So I really like these. The next pair is just what I'll call an everyday pair of undies. They are a periwinkle blue with lace trim as well. These are also Mrs. Vicky's Intimates, and they are suggested retail price of $12 as well. So that's those. And the last pair is blue, and this is another what I'll call everyday pair as well, and these are suggested retail price of $12 as well with the blue lace. It is back to school time. It is tax-free shopping time. It is time to overhaul your underwear drawer. And if you have been doing so with Hanes and Fruit of the Loom, there's nothing wrong with that, but those are going to be very basic from an underwear, from a presentation, from a lingerie standpoint. If you have not taken a minute to check out Splendies.com, I've got a link down in the information box. Would encourage you to take a look at their subscription. I have enjoyed receiving this surprise package every month, adding underwear that didn't come in like a pack of 4 to my collection, and that there being a lot more variety. So if it is time for you to overhaul, and you know if it's time to overhaul, take a minute, go down to the info box, check out the Splendies. There's a discount code down there. And until the August package arrives, take care.